Gold and silver both in the green, heading towards another consecutive positive close. Silver's been moving higher for almost a week now. So has it regained the hot commodity status? Joining us now is the one and only veteran trader, silver bug, Todd Bubba Horwitz. Welcome back, Bubba.
Danielle, always great to be on with you.
So you obviously have something to smile about. You've been talking about silver a long time, and it's been enjoying a nice bounce here since last Wednesday. Is it the comeback kid here?
I think it is. I think there's a lot of interesting things happening in the markets here. And first of all, silver found a nice bottom at about 16 and has bounced off of it very well. Gold is also bottoming, and I like silver a little bit better. It's a little bit easier to trade. And I think what we're seeing here is the markets have kind of held it back, but you're now starting to see the dollar weaken and some other things. And I'm looking for silver to really make a big pop here even though it's been up, it hasn't really popped really good yet. And I think we're going to see a real nice pop up here in the next few days here based on what else is going on around the globe.
So do you think it's found its floor, Bubba?
I do. I think you can be very comfortable and very safe buying here. I'm almost ready to say that these bear markets are over in the metals and we're going to start heading higher. I was once looking for that one more dip down, but it doesn't look like we're going to get it. And I think, if you tie everything else in and you look at the overall complacency in the markets, there's no fear there. You're going to start to see, I think, money start to come out of equities and will go into the metals, which I think is a great place for it.
So how would you be trading silver right now? What levels are you eyeing? Do we get in? What do we do here, Bubba?
I think you can buy here if you're a trader. I think even you can buy here. I think we're close enough to 16. I think we're close enough to that great support area that your risk reward is great. I think if you're an investor, you can buy any time and you just look to average in. In other words, if I'm a trader, I'm going to go all in right here and look for a trade. If I'm investing, I'm going to take a percentage, let's say 25%, and buy that and look. If it goes up, I'll buy it higher. If it goes down, I'll buy it lower, but I'll average my way in because I'm going to hold the hard asset forever. As a trader, you want to be a little bit more quicker and be able to move. So I think this is a great spot right here. I think we've seen the last couple of days it's been strong and it weakened late, but overall I think that's a good sign because I think they're still trying to push it down. I think the bears are going to lose out here and you're going to see a big squeeze up to the upside.
And same momentum here on the gold front. Are you convinced yet here?
Yeah, I think gold looks really good too. I think that the key was last week when we went down to like 12.14 and we came back and held 12.25. That was a level you and I were watching about 6 months ago, and we're back there again. We held it really well. And again, you've had the same problem in gold. Some people trying to push it down, but it won't go down. So I think the natural response will be it'll rocket up to the upside. I think you can look for 1260 to 1300 as the next stop before we start to see any selling coming again.
Todd Bubba Horwitz, thank you so much for your thoughts. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks, Danielle. Have a great day.
And thanks for watching this edition of Kitco's Gold Report. We'll be back tomorrow. Hey.